guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we are going to learn how to use Unity Transform. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started!
First thing first, you can create a game object. Simply you can create a cube. Yeah, this is legendary object. You can find it everywhere, especially in Blender. Unity Transform will automatically attach to your game object. Yeah, it's a game object default component. You can use this weird arrow to move the cube to the entire of the screen. Good. If you don't like this graphic UI, you can easily use Inspector to edit your game object transform value. You can change game object position, rotation, or scale if you want to. If you don't like simple thing, you can program your cube. Just create your transform script and modify your game object transform through code. With program, you can also change your game object position frame by frame. Yeah, the cube is moving. Look, it's perfect, right?
Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till the next time, see you!